Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the productivity tricks on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Alright, so let's begin. First let's open up our settings. Now let's scroll down into the advanced features. And let's begin with the multi-window. In here we can enable all those things to open it up. Enabling those things is recommended when you have gestures as a navigation method and not buttons like me. We can enable it. So I just typed up, I just turned on the swipe for pop-up view. We can also adjust the top corner area. If you want, I'll pick the medium one because why not? In here we have a tutorial. Swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change to pop-up view. But I'll also show you the other method how you can do it. We can also enable to full screen in split screen view, but one step at a time. Let me open up two apps at the same time. Let one of them one of them want to be Chrome, and the second one, let's say, I don't know, maybe the calculator. All right, and now to open up those apps in the split screen view, because we want to, because the split view is the split screen. I'll show you, in my opinion, the most comfortable method. So, open up the recent apps, hold on one of the icon, place it to the downside or the upside until you see this big square. Release your finger. Now select your second app. Boom, and now our apps are opened in the split view. So on the bottom we have our Chrome. As you can see, it's really functionable. I can still surf the internet. I can search anything that I want. And on the top I have calculator, on which I can count. So this feature is really comfortable for multitasking and for the people who like to do many things at the same time. Also, you can adjust the size of those windows. All you need to do is to grab those three dots that are in the middle, and now you can change the size of the app. So now the Chrome is much bigger than the calculator. Now let's go into the opposite side, release, and now the calculator is much bigger than the Chrome. You can also switch sides between those apps. Simply click on those three dots, click on that icon, and now Chrome is on the top, while 2 seconds ago it was on the bottom. So you can also change that. Alright, if you want to, you can also click on those three dots and save this preset as a shortcut. So click on that star button and now click Add App Pair to Home Screen or Apps Edge Panel. I'll pick the home screen, and now when we close the split screen, as you can see now on my home screen a shortcut appeared. When I click on that, both of the apps open in the split view. Really cool, and really boosts the functionality and the productivity of the user. Now let's go into the floating window, which is also a cool thing. Now to open the app in the floating window, again let's open up one of the apps. Let it be calculator. Now open up the recent apps, hold on it, and release just in the middle. Now as you can see, the calculator is opened in a different window. It's not only full screen, it's loading on our home screen, and I can still do other things. I can scroll, I can open up the messages, I can open up the camera app and take the photos. If you want to adjust the size of the calculator, simply grab on the edge and change its size. It can be really small, but remember that the calculator is still functional. When I click on the numbers, I can still count my stuff. So it's also really cool for multitasking. In my opinion, it works in the best way. For example, when you are surfing the internet and when you want to quickly switch to count something, boom, and then you go back into the scrolling. Really useful. for me, I would say. Let's click. If you want to change the position of the calculator on your home screen, grab on this blue bar, and you can now change the position on your home screen. Okay, if you click on the bar, you can also from here go into the split screen mode. If you click on that icon, you can minimize it also, just like that. If you click on the icon on the left side, and you can go from here into the full screen by clicking this button. Really useful in my opinion. Next thing is the sidebar, which is right in here. Actually, it's called the Edge panel. Let's open up the settings first. If you don't know how to turn it on, click on the search button, type Edge panels. Make sure it's enabled. Alright. If you click on the handle, you can change the style of it. You can change the position. You can also lock it. And you can change the transparency, its size, and the width manually right in here. Alright, but let's open it up. And the Edge panel provides us, it's like a center of the shortcut. So let's click on the edit button right in here. And to our bar, we can add more apps. So I just added Instagram, Google, for example, YouTube. And now, when I open up the Edge bar, I click on YouTube. It's like a, just like I have said, like a center of the shortcut. So from here we can organize our most used apps, for example, and thanks to it we can get quick access to them. If you click right in here, you have a big window simply. And in here we have a list of all of the apps. Okay. Also, if you click on the settings button, which was right in here but now disappeared. Oh, in here. We have panels for the apps. That's the basic one that I was showing you. But for example, you can add people, tasks, weather, tools, clipboard, and the reminder app. Okay, so for example, now, how to change between those modes? Currently we have the apps, but if you want to change, simply slide into the right side. And as you can see now, the panels are changing. So you can pick which panel you want to use. Of course, you can use many at the same time. Okay, now let's go into the Bixby, which is the Samsung AI. And that's really useful when it comes to the productivity, because you can ask the AI to do the actions for us. So let's say I can quickly set an alarm by simply talking to the Bixby, and I can give him a task to do it. So let me show you how to do it. To launch the Bixby, let's open up the settings. Let's type Bixby settings. Of course, you need to be logged into your Samsung account. Click on continue. Scroll down. Go into the side button settings. Click on the long press and select the Bixby. It's the, in my opinion, it's the most comfortable way to launch it. Okay, so now we need to simply long press the power button to launch the Bixby, and let's ask him to set this alarm for us. Set an alarm at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Your alarm for tomorrow at 700 hours will ring in 15 hours 55 minutes.
Alright, due to Bixby, our alarm has been set, but let's just check it. Let's open up the clock. And as you can see, the alarm has been successfully set. Just to show you that I didn't set it before, I'll delete it. And let's do it once again. Set an alarm at 7 p.m. tomorrow.
I've set your alarm for tomorrow at 1900 hours.
Oh, it said 7 p.m. my bad. But you could see that in the alarms, I didn't have any alarms set at 7 p.m. But now, boom, I have it. Alright. Also, there's an app called Reminders, which is also really useful. And we can ask the AI to set a reminder for us, for example, to do something. Set a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Give reminder permission to continue.
Oh, okay. First we need to give a permission to the reminder. I'm giving the permission.
I'm not sure what you mean.
Open the reminder app. Okay, first we need to open it up. Let's click on allow. We need to click on continue. Click on next, next, and done. Click on allow. And now it should be fine. So let's try to add reminder this time. Add a reminder to do the laundry tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Your reminder's saved.
Okay. Do the laundry tomorrow, 3 p.m. Save to my reminders. Let's open up the reminder app. It should be right in here. Oh, okay. Tomorrow, do the laundry, 3 p.m. Boom. Everything has been successfully saved. Of course, it's like 1% of the AI possibilities, but I'll leave it to you just to know them on yourself. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.